This video is going to show some of the enhancements in GibbsCAM 2016 when it comes to programming more complex machining centers, notably MTM machines or multitask machines. You'll see that we're really building on the UKM technology that we introduced in GibbsCAM 2015. So let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to start by showing this machine. This is a Williman machine. And now we are able to turn at arbitrary orientations on machines that have redundant rotary axes. So basically what that means is if you have a rotary axis that has more than one position, it's not just locked vertical or horizontal, you're able to move that at any angle. We're able to support that. Let me show you what I mean here. Let's go ahead and hit play here. So we can see that we're able to turn this part both on that angle and as it's vertical. So this is a really big addition. If your machine's VMM, if the machine definition is defined to support this, we are able to program using those arbitrary angles. So let's go ahead. I want to talk a little bit about some enhancements when it comes to tool orientation and tool definition. So here we can see that I have Mazak Integrex with a subspindle. One of the biggest improvements that we've done, one of the biggest enhancements, is that now we are able to use a single tool at multiple B orientations. Basically what that means is we can use the same tool and the same tool definition, but rotate it in the tool path to machine on the main spindle and on the subspindle. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and just highlight these two tool paths, and you can see that we're using tool number 2 for that. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. So there's tool number 2 doing its thing on the main spindle. And now we can see that, let's go ahead and just hide these. Now it's just flipped over, and I'm able to, let's go ahead and just hide these two so we can see it. We are able to turn on that subspindle using that same tool. The nice thing here is, before you would have to define another tool up here, flip it over. Now you're just able to use that same tool. And the way we do that is, let me show you really quick. We've initiated this tab called the Rotate tab. This is a really powerful tab. What this does is this dictates the rotation of the tool, not in relationship to the machine, but in relationship to the part itself. So here we can see the holder angle is -90. If we reset it to tool definition, let's say 0, it's moving in relationship to the part that it's cutting. This is really important. This is really powerful. Now, if you have the ability to take your tool and turn it like that, if you have that live head defined in your machine definition, this rotate tab is going to show up on all of your turning operations. So this is a really huge thing. Let me show you an example of this using that Williman machine. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewind this really quick. So when I play this, you can see this tool is coming in. Let me slow it down just a little bit. And it's cutting normal to that surface. But let's say we didn't want to do that. We wanted to take that tool and move it at an angle. So really all I have to do is I just come in here, say rotate. So you can see now this is a great example. This isn't showing the angle of the tool in relationship to the machine. It's showing the tool in relationship to the part over here, this blue cylinder over here. So let's go ahead and, I don't know, let's just do 30 degrees. We're going to click redo. So there it is at 30 degrees, just like I had it. So this is a real easy way to dictate the angle on which your tool is oriented when you're turning on an MTM machine. If you have any questions about programming MTM machines or any of the new enhancements inside of GibbsCAM 2016, please feel free to reach out to your local reseller or give a call into GibbsCAM technical support. Thank you.